What's up gang? Want this quality enhancement on mobile? Just follow my steps. Open your browser and search for scenepacks.com. Here you can find pretty much all the scene packs you can think of, and it's in the best quality possible. I'm gonna download Negan Smith's scene pack. Now open Alight Motion. Click here, then click on upload. Select this file. You can download this from the link in description. Click on next, continue to timeline. Click on OK. Now select your scene pack, cut all the scenes you wanna enhance. Now check the resolution and FPS of your scene pack. Mine is 1080p and 24 FPS. Click on the gear icon and set your resolution and FPS. Now click on your clip and go to 3 dots. Then click on stretch to composition area. Do same for all clips. Now click on these 3 lines. Now drag all your clips below these layers. Now trim all these layers to the same length as your clips. Let's export now. Now open Wink app. Click on Quality Enhancer. Choose AI UHD and try now. Select the clip that we just exported with Alight Motion. Trim if you want. After enhancement is done, save it. Click on all tools and scroll down. Look for interpolation. Click on it and select the enhanced clip. Click on high/smooth. This will make your FPS from 24 to 60. Save the file and that's it. Easy, right? Let me know what my next tutorial should be on. Bye.